everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home garden decor ideas. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Bonsai is much more than just a plant in a pot. It is a centuries-old art form that bridges the gap between nature and human creativity. The word bonsai literally translates from Japanese to tray planting, but its soul is found in the philosophy of harmony, balance, and patience. Originating from the ancient Chinese practice of penjing before being refined in Japan, a bonsai tree is intended to be a miniature, realistic representation of a mature tree in nature. It represents a living meditation, a symbol of the grower's discipline and their deep respect for the passage of time. When you bring a bonsai into your home, you aren't just buying a decoration. You are inviting a living piece of history that embodies the wabi-sabi aesthetic, finding beauty in imperfection, aging, and the natural cycle of life. Caring for a bonsai garden offers a profound range of physical, mental, and spiritual benefits that extend far beyond simple aesthetics. On a psychological level, the act of pruning, wiring, and watering these miniature trees acts as a powerful stress reliever, encouraging mindfulness and forcing us to slow down in our fast-paced digital world. Studies have shown that interacting with plants can lower cortisol levels and improve overall mood. Furthermore, bonsai trees are exceptional at purifying the air, increasing oxygen levels and humidity in your immediate environment, which can even help alleviate respiratory issues. Cultivating a bonsai also teaches the invaluable virtue of patience. Because these trees grow slowly over decades, they serve as a constant reminder that the most beautiful things in life require time and consistent care. For many, a bonsai garden becomes a legacy, a family heirloom that can be passed down through generations, carrying with it the stories and efforts of those who nurtured it before. To transform your bonsai collection into a stunning garden display, you must focus on the principles of Zen design: simplicity, layering, and focal points. Start by considering the eye-level rule. Bonsai are best appreciated when displayed on pedestals, wooden benches, or stone slabs that bring them closer to your line of vision, rather than sitting flat on the ground. Use a mix of textures by surrounding your pots with fine gravel or dark river stones, which helps the vibrant greens of the foliage pop. Creating a sense of borrowed scenery is also key. Position your trees against a minimalist backdrop like a bamboo screen or a plain white wall to prevent visual clutter. You can further enhance the atmosphere by incorporating small water features like a stone basin or a bamboo fountain, which adds a soothing soundscape and essential humidity for the trees. Lighting is the final touch. Subtle LED spotlights or soft lanterns can highlight the intricate trunk structures of your favorite trees during the evening, turning your garden into a magical, glowing sanctuary after dark. When selecting items for an outdoor bonsai area, the most important factor is the harmony between the tree and its container. Handcrafted ceramic pots are the gold standard, providing both the necessary drainage and a timeless aesthetic that complements the tree's style. Beyond the pots, suiseki or viewing stones are essential decorative items. These are naturally shaped rocks that mimic mountains or islands, adding a sense of vast landscape to your miniature world. For a more traditional touch, miniature mudman figurines, tiny ceramic scholars, fishermen, or bridges can be placed under the canopy to provide a sense of scale and storytelling. Durable wooden display stands made of cedar or teak are also vital, as they elevate the plants and protect them from ground pests. Lastly, don't forget practical but beautiful tools. A high-quality copper watering can and a set of professional shears displayed on a nearby tool rack can actually add to the working artist vibe of your garden space. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best popular bonsai tree ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One. Juniper. Juniperus is a large genus of over 50 evergreen coniferous trees and shrubs that are popular as bonsai trees. All species of juniper can be successfully grown as bonsai, Juniper's small foliage fits nicely with the miniature aesthetic of bonsai, and they are hardy trees that can withstand aggressive pruning. Juniper bonsai trees do not do well when grown indoors, and they must be planted in dry soil. 2. Pine. The pine trees are popular as bonsai because they are hardy and trainable. In fact, pine trees can be shaped into almost every known bonsai style. Pine trees are characterized by needles that appear in bundles of 2 to 5, and bark that becomes scaly or flaky as it ages. Species that are particularly good for bonsai include Japanese black pine, mountain pine, Scots pine, and Japanese white pine. 3. Japanese maple. The Japanese maples are deciduous hardwood trees famous for red burgundy or green leaves that turn bright red, orange, or yellow in fall. The bark of young Japanese maples is typically green or reddish, turning gray or grayish-brown as it ages. A warning to those bonsai enthusiasts who don't have a lot of time to dedicate to the craft: Japanese maples require a lot of water, especially during the growing season. Depending on the temperature, they may require daily watering, possibly even several times daily. 4. Japanese flowering cherry. Cherry trees are traditionally believed to signify friendship, and varieties such as the Japanese flowering cherry also make beautiful bonsai trees. These ornamental, deciduous trees are not only gorgeous, but they are easy to train because their branches and trunks are pliable and easy to shape. While bonsai cherry trees can be grown indoors, they may suffer from a lack of light and grow best when grown outdoors in the summer months. 5. Cedar. The rough, ragged bark of cedar trees has made them a popular choice among bonsai enthusiasts. Cedar trees are evergreen conifers that grow short needle clusters along their branches, providing an opportunity for very dramatic bonsai styles. Impressive drama aside, cedars are not ideal for beginners. Cedar bonsai trees require specialized care and expertise to grow properly as bonsai, and are best suited for experienced growers. There are 4 cedar species frequently grown as bonsai: cedar of Lebanon, cypress cedar, Himalayan cedar, and Atlas cedar. 6. Azalea. The azaleas are flowering shrubs, but some miniature versions, typically referred to as greenhouse azaleas, are meant to be houseplants. Dwarf varieties can grow just shy of 3 feet tall. One particular azalea, Satsuki or Southern Indian azalea, is ideal for bonsai, but it's also considered strictly an outdoor flowering plant. Without pruning, it can grow several feet tall, but with pruning it is a lovely foot or so high with pink springtime blooms. 7. Weeping fig. The beautiful, umbrella-like canopy of the weeping fig makes it a popular choice for bonsai. Its twisted surface roots are another alluring feature that lends well to bonsai styling. Besides its appearance, Ficus benjamina is a hardy, resilient tree, making it perfect for bonsai training. It adapts well to growing indoors and is often grown as a houseplant year-round. 8. Dwarf jade. The dwarf jade plant is a semi-evergreen softwood shrub that makes an excellent bonsai tree for beginners. Dwarf jades look very similar to the more common jade variety or Crassula ovata. However, the smaller foliage of the dwarf jade makes it the preferable choice for bonsai growing. Dwarf jade bonsai trees grow well indoors but need direct sunlight for most of the day. They can also be successfully grown outside, but cannot tolerate freezing temperatures. 9. Pomegranate. The thick, knotted bark and striking fruit-bearing flowers of the pomegranate tree have made it a popular type of bonsai tree. Its naturally gnarled, ancient appearance is perfect for the bonsai aesthetic. Pomegranate bonsai trees can be grown outdoors year-round in warm climates, or grown indoors for part of the year. They should be protected from freezing temperatures and frost. 10. Dwarf boxwood. Dwarf boxwoods are popular shrubs, and they also are good choices for bonsai plants since they respond well to pruning. One type of dwarf boxwood, the little-leaf boxwood, also known as Kingsville dwarf, grows 12 to 18 inches high, perfect for bonsai and miniature gardens. Harland boxwood is another good shrub for a bonsai, but it can grow a little taller, to 2 to 3 feet if not pruned. Yet another dwarf boxwood variety is the Korean with a height of 2 feet. Building a bonsai garden is a journey that changes the way you look at nature and yourself. Each tree you style and every branch you prune is a step toward creating your own personal paradise. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is today. Whether you start with a single juniper or a forest of maples, the peace and beauty these tiny trees bring to your life are truly immeasurable. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of popular bonsai trees, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of these 10 trees was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your bonsai journey. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new design tip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.